good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Shy Money on the beat. I'm back with another video. So today, guys, I am so excited because I'm going to be doing a seafood boil for you guys. I'm going to be trying out this Blove sauce. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I know there's probably just garlic in here, but it looked like meat, like ground meat kind of. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be doing a seafood boil. I'm going to be trying Blove sauce, but the only thing is this is not the one that she sells on Amazon. This is actually the one that that she had a video for, to make it yourself at home. So what I did was I had my mom, because she's a cook. My mom's a cook. I had her to go and like get all the ingredients and kind of just like make it for me, because I don't know what it is, but every time, you know, when your mom or your granny cook your food for you, it just tastes good. And plus she wanted to do it anyways. So yeah, guys, this is the one that she made a video for. She actually gave us a little video on how to make it yourself at home. So this is the recipe right here. So guys, I actually bought the sauce on Amazon like a while back, around the time it first released on Amazon. I bought the sauce, I made it at home, and I don't know if I missed the ingredient or something, but it did not come out the way that I expected it to, the way that everybody amped it up to be, and I was kind of disappointed. But luckily, she had a video on how to make it yourself at home, so Mom followed each and every ingredient to the T, and we got it here for you guys. Well, I have it here for you guys. So yeah, so let me tell you what I got right here. So guys, I actually found these cucumbers, these mini cucumbers. I've never seen those cucumbers before. I mean, of course, pickles, but I've never seen them as cucumbers before the pickles. So I have some mini cucumbers. I have 3 mini cucumbers. I have some king crabs that I bought. Okay, guys, I bought these king crabs from Walmart. They was like $30, I'm saying $35 with tax. They was $35, and I got a good amount of pieces in there. I got a couple of legs, you know, I got a claw, and some were broken off, of course. But they're the smaller ones. They're not big. They're not that big. They're the small ones, but they're good size if you just starting off eating king crab and you want to see how it tastes. I'm pretty sure it's a difference in how it tastes if it was a bigger one or something. I don't know. But I've never eaten king crab before, and I just want to see if I'm a king crab type of girl. So I have king crabs, I have a lobster, a whole lobster, but I'm not going to eat the whole lobster. I'm eating the tail only, guys. Because when I went to Walmart, they did not have the lobster tail by itself. They had a whole lobster, so I just had to get the whole lobster. I got some shrimps. These are the jumbo size shrimps, corn and potatoes, and yeah. That's about it. We're just gonna get straight into this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified each and every time I post any and all videos. And we finna get straight into this. So I have water here, and I have like a little Kool-Aid package. This is the ginger Canada Dry one. So matter of fact, let me go ahead and mix it up right now. Alright guys, so we finna get straight into it. I'm gonna try the cucumber first, because I've never tried the cucumbers before. So I'm gonna try with the sauce, guys. I hope I like it, y'all. I really do hope I like it, because it looks so good. And it smells good too. So you're finna get straight into it. I ain't got no... Maybe I have too much butter. I don't know. Okay, it's like cucumber. I mean, I know it has cucumber, but it's just like a little mini version. Okay, the sauce isn't that bad. If I can get some of the doggone seasoning stuff on. cucumber good. Oh my god. Okay guys, I put this in like a pot with some boiling water, just how you make a regular seafood boil. And I put some seafood boil, the seafood boil in there. That's it. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let me get some of that. Oh shoot, that's hot, that's hot. That hot shot. Let me get some of them onions. Oh, oh. Sorry y'all, I'm a little dramatic. It's hot. Okay. Let's try with a potato. Guys, my potato busted in the water. Oh yeah, they were done. Ooh. They was done, honey. I love potatoes, y'all. I get mashed potatoes, french fries, whole potatoes. Like, I just love potatoes. Let me take that little piece off because, yeah, when you, that's gonna do. Guys, next I want to try the Dame Dash sauce. I just think I already have the stuff for it. I just think that's gonna be real good. Yeah, it's hot. That's really hot. Guys, can y'all see? Yeah, good. I'm just gonna bite the potato. Guys, I have a, if it looked like I keep kind of like licking my lip on the inside, I have a cut. I bit my lip by accident. Y'all never want to bite your lip by accident. That's a different level of pain there. Guys, the only way I can eat onions, oh, that's hot. The only way I can eat onion if it's like grilled or like sauteed or whatever, but I don't really like raw onions. I can't do it. I'm gonna try this king crab next, y'all. King crab, I've been waiting to try it so much. Ooh, that was a baby thingy or whatever. But it's fine. This how y'all be dipping it. This is what they call the knuckle. This little piece. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna fight with it. It's meat in there though. But you know, I don't feel like it. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. Yep, that was all the meat in there. Alright. Let's dig in there. Let's get to the bottom of that stuff. Yeah, I'm not so much as like a messy eater. Like, I don't know, I just can't. Do we eat anything you need? Okay. Now we're gonna eat a corn. Guys, I love corn. Can y'all see that? Alright, let's try it. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. It's hot. Okay. But guys, that was hot. Yeah, I was making this seafood boil. And my granny like, you got some in there for me too? I'm like, yes, granny, I got some for you too. My husband in there. Babe, we gonna make that seafood boil. We gonna make that seafood boil, babe. Okay. So that's kind of good. That's that cut. He loves shrimp and corn. Yeah, that's a lot of sauce. God, so good. Y'all, the sauce is good. It's not bad. My only thing is I would not eat it with every bite. It's got like a little tangy, sweet taste to it. I mean, because I've eaten seafood boils like a lot. Like my favorite food is seafood, like literally. So I don't know. It's not the taste that I anticipated it to be. Not saying that the sauce isn't good, because the sauce is still good. It's still good. It actually has a different taste than the one that I did a video on. It's actually it tastes differently. I did it with my husband on our couples channel. It's just that it's like a little sweet tangy or whatever. So I mean, it's not bad though. It's good. Now it's time for this big boy. Yep. I don't want the body, y'all. I just want the tail, honey. I didn't even see all that. Oh, shucks. I don't have any scissors. I'm supposed to open this, y'all. Open it like a crawfish. Oh, this how I open my crawfish. I don't know how y'all open y'all crawfish. Oh, my God. I'm getting turned off on the thing. Oh, y'all, what the heck? I just wanted the doggone tail. I didn't want the guts and all of them. Watch out. I don't want this to get on everything. I can't just pull this tail up out of here now. They gave me half of it. Y'all, this literally looks a little, what's the name? This is like a little, is this the egg? Yeah, I'll be back. I'm going to wash this off. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm back. I had to go rinse that lobster off because I didn't ask for all that. Yeah. I didn't ask for all of that. Guys, this is what I got. This looks like a little crawfish. This looks like the grandpa, the daddy crawfish right here. This only look like a lobster. It's only $20 for two of them. So $10 a piece. Still, whatever. It's fine. It's cool. Alright, I'm gonna dip it on in this sauce or whatever. Ooh, don't get too much. That's tough. That's like chicken. Going up here with your people. Maybe they ain't the lobster tail for me. Because I've had lobster before, y'all. I had it once at Red Lobster. I didn't like it. And then I had it at Lotus. I love Lotus lobsters. They be having fried lobster. I love their lobsters. But that lobster, nope. I'm gonna eat me a couple more shrimp. So yeah, guys, the next sauce I'm gonna try is the Dame Dash sauce. It just looks so good. And I've actually never tried it, so I'm gonna give it a try and see. You know, if it's good. This time I'm gonna make it because I did buy all the ingredients for it. It really wasn't that many ingredients. Now, Blove sauce, it had a lot of ingredients to it. But the Dame Dash, the Dame Dash butter sauce, I want to try that. It's another YouTuber. Her name is called Whiny. Her channel is Whiny. I want to try her butter sauce as well. She don't have a recipe on YouTube, so I would have to buy hers. Which I don't know. It's cool. Hell, yeah. I'm gonna try those two. These are empty. Let's try this claw. Y'all, this claw got little hairs on it. Ow! It poked me. This claw got little hairs on it up here at the top. I wonder why I have those little hairs. Y'all, these kind of like teeth. Like your little... your teeth. I'm weird. Sorry guys, my bad. I think these were kind of... Ouch. Oh. Oh, I got some made up in there. Ouch. Y'all. Ooh, nope. No. Y'all, this king crab boy right here. Let me just break this piece right here. Maybe I can get it better. There's a little meat on there. It's a little meaty right there. Okay, let me just take this meat off. Yeah, this part is sticky. Got it. Gotcha, sucker. Oh, it's kind of in the shape of the shell. Okay, this part of the shell is cracked. But there you go. I need it. Okay. Ow! Yo. Just trying to get some meat. Just trying to get some food. That's it, man. Okay, get the little part off. The little tail off of it. Yeah, put that off of it. Ooh. Now what? Yeah, guys. It's good though. Cucumber good. But alright guys, that's gonna be the end of my little seafood mukbang. Trying out Blove sauce. Like I said, it's not bad. It just has like a sweet, tangy, sour taste to it, but it's not bad at all. It's nothing that you can be like, oh no, I just can't. Ugh. It's good. I'm full, guys. It really don't take a lot for me to get full. For even though I haven't eaten all day, this is the first meal that I've had all day, and it is currently 3 o'clock. So yeah. But yeah, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I post any and all videos. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.